Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. And this is video number 255. In this video, you're going to learn something interesting. These video lessons would help you to speak like a native, the spoken language. But I will also teach you the formal Tamil alongside. So there are some lessons already, and we'll try to concentrate on formal Tamil also in the coming videos. In English, we use the suffix er, such as engineer, painter, that is someone who paints, driver, the one who drives a vehicle, gardener, and also we have pianist, electrician. So there are some variations. We will see the same in Tamil and will follow this video with an episode 2 to make it thorough for you. So the idea is to go slow, and I do not want to overload you with too many lessons. In Tamil, we often use the suffix karar. This is for masculine respectful form. Karavanga for feminine. And even for masculine plural, we use sometimes the same karavanga. And the less respectful form is kara and kari for masculine and feminine. So this is a rude and abusive mentioning. So don't use them, but only just learn them. Milkman is palkarar. Milkman. But as people speak fastly, you also hear it as palkar or sometimes palkaru. So you just get used to the sounds. And the gardener is totakarar. Totakarar. And the house owner is வீட்டுக்கு சொந்தக்காரர். The owner of the house. வீட்டுக்கு சொந்தக்காரர். But if you only say வீட்டுக்காரர், it means husband. Veedu means house and வீட்டுக்காரர் is husband. So pay attention to this. And சொந்தக்காரர் when used alone means a relative. சொந்தக்காரர், relative. But if you wish to say the owner of something, we say ku சொந்தக்காரர், such as வீட்டுக்கு சொந்தக்காரர், the owner of the house. காருக்கு சொந்தக்காரர், the owner of the car. So when used this way, it means owner of something. And if used alone, சொந்தக்காரர் means relative. In formal language, we use the word உரிமையாளர் for the owner, which translates to the person who owns the right to something. This is for you just to know. Townsman, ஊர்க்காரர், and that means the person belonging to the same town or city as you. ஊர்க்காரர். For tailor, we say தையல்காரர். For vegetable vendor, we use the word காய்கறிக்காரர். Now look at this, please. This is not a profession, it is the character of a person. Greedy man, பேராசக்காரு, or பேராசை means greed and பேராசக்காரர் means greedy man. A fun-loving, playful person. விளையாட்டுக்காரு. விளையாட்டு is playful, and விளையாட்டுக்காரு means a playful and not so serious person. Imagine you say palkaravanga. As you say fastly, you miss that karavanga and you just say palkaranga. When you say palkaranga, it could mean a lady, a man, or even a plural. So this is just a person who sells milk. Could be singular or plural. Similarly, when you say தையல்காரங்க, it could mean a person or persons, and this is a respectful form of mentioning. So it is the same as avanga. It can mean she, he, or they as a formal term. You can check the personal pronoun to learn all of that in lesson number. You just have to click up here, top right. And there's this less respectful, rude form, and that is palkare for male and palkari for female. But please avoid using it at least until you get a grip of the language. But there's an exception. We always say kolakare for a murderer and kullakare for a person who loots money, a thief. So you do not have to give respect to them. And here pichaykarar means a beggar and panakkarar means a rich man. But mostly you'll hear pichakare. People do not respect a beggar or a pauper. But if you're angry at a rich man and do not like the way he got rich, you could say panakkaran. It is totally up to you. We will certainly have a second episode to this, and there are more for you to explore about profession and ways to describe people, all those respectful form, cut and paste form, everything. And if you wish to enrich in your vocabulary, please join us in Telegram. It's totally free. You just have to send a mail to this address and I'll send you the link. Do you wish to join Instagram? Just type Learn Tamil 1. And for YouTube, it is at Learn Tamil 1. And how about a WhatsApp channel for those of you who are more into WhatsApp? Don't worry, we'll create one soon.